Okay, let's take a look Canvas today. Now the web address at the moment we are using is right here. It's bergen.instructure.com because right now it is not set up into the BCC portal. Because of that, we have to go into this web page to access the Canvas, but the Canvas will added into our portal, I think, as we go into the next semester. It's called bergen.instructure.com. Okay. All right. When you log in, you may have to use the Bergen username and password, and then it will allow you to log in. When you log in, it should be look like this. It automatically shows you take you into this dashboard, and the dashboard has the Canvas training module. This one right here, it actually has almost everything you needed. You can go inside each one to learn all the functionalities we needed. And just below that, it will show you all the unpublished courses. These are the courses coming from the Moodle, which are converted courses. And sometimes you will see the same course twice. The right here, for example, you can see 280001 summer 1, 280001 summer 1, the two shells. Actually, that because one is empty, one has all the information coming from the Moodle. Okay. All right, let's go into one of them and then take a look. Let's go into this one, which doesn't have anything. Let's first go into this one, which has all the stuff, which the converted course. And when you go in there, it will automatically bring you into the home page. This is a standard home page. Usually it show you this couple of announcement that we can set it up in the setting. How many announcement can show up here? The automatic setting says 3 announcement, recent announcement gonna show on the home page. This picture can change, but there's only 3 we can select. This is standard. And then we can edit this. You can see the edit button right here, and then we can edit our course title and then give an introduction. And then quick access tool, we have to keep it like that because this is a standard. They would like us to keep it. Now, if I want to change this picture, there's 3 options. You go into right-hand side, then choose home page, and then you can see I can actually pick the home page. I can pick the home page as a syllabus or the assignment list, course modules, or this front page, but this is the standard they want us to use. If you click this change icon here, it will allow us to actually select other 3 home pages inbuilt. There's 3 home pages. You can see 1, 2, and 3. Right now, I select the second one. Let's say I want to select the first one. I can go into the first one, this 3 double dot at the right-hand side corner, and then use as a front page. And then make sure whatever you want to select there has to have this green dot, which means it publish. So if the green dot is not there, we can't select it. We have to publish it first. Okay. All right. So then if you go into the home, then I can see the picture is different. Everything else, these icons were different, but everything else the same. All right. And also we can import the course content. Let's say if this is the course with the empty shell, then I can import the course and course content. Right hand side again, the home page top, you will see the import existing content. You click there. Then at the very top it says select one. You click down arrow, copy a Canvas course. Then it will allow you to select which course content you want to copy. Then you select whatever the course content you want to copy. Then you can say all content, or you can select some specific content. I'm gonna say all content, and then you can click import. That will import the content from that course to here. Let's go back to the home. All right, now that's a few important things. Then if you scroll down all the way to the left hand side, very bottom, it says setting. So that setting actually allows us to do a couple of changes. We can change these pictures right here. You can choose a picture, but they don't like us to change it because it is standard that 3 pictures I think we all should use. And then if you scroll down, it will allow you a little bit more options. There you can select how many number of announcements we would like to see on the home page, and then a couple of other options as needed. Right, let's go back to the home. All right, let's take a look now the syllabus creation. So now how the students see this, you will see this all the I and the cross sign, these are not the open to the student. And then whatever the icons without that open to the student view is right on the right hand side top corner. If you click that, you can see the student view. You can see only these are open to the students. Okay, so I can leave the student view right here. Okay, let's take a look. Let's go into the syllabus. Now, usually in the syllabus module, that page has like the course summary below, and then the course assignment weighted on the right-hand side, and the syllabus file we need to edit. Now, right now, I don't have a syllabus file here. You click the edit button on right-hand side top, and then we can put a PDF file here. Let's click this icon right here, says the upload document, and then you can click and drag any file from your computer. Let's click and drag one of the file from my computer, one of the syllabus. Let's click and drag here. All right, it uploaded. Now you click the submit button, then it will show you here as a PDF file. Now if you update the syllabus, the student gonna see that only PDF file. They have to download it to see. But if I do this, you go back to this file and then do one click, then you click the link option, and then you look at the right hand side. It gives you three options. Click the last one, preview online, then click the expanded view by default, then click OK. Now you go and update the syllabus. What it does, the syllabus PDF file automatically open inside the canvas. This is really good because the student can actually don't need to download it. They can see the syllabus file very easily. Okay, that's very useful. Now the assignment editing waiting, we have to edit in our assignment folder. We will go over that in a bit. All right, so that's it. And then the announcement, we can create the announcement there. You click the announcement button right here. Then I can add the announcement week 1 schedule or whatever the announcement you want to add. Then you do all the editing, and then you can post into all section, or you can post into certain selected section, and then we can browse and add any files, and then so on. And also we can allow we can put settings to display it after certain time period, and then so on. We can allow student to comment, and then so on. And then you click publish. It's going to go into the announcement setting. You can see this is an imported file, so that's why I see all these the announcement coming from the Moodle page. And then most recent 3 years announcement automatically going to show up on our home page. All right, so all of those good. Then the most important thing is actually setting up the gradebook. That is very different here. Let me show one important thing now. If you go into the grades, you cannot do weighting or anything there. There is no option. You can see I can do certain thing, like I can do the late penalty, things like that little bit, but there's no any other the settings we can do editing of the gradebook. However, all of those actually inside the assignment. That's a fundamental difference from the Moodle to the Canvas. All the gradebook setting has to set it up inside assignment. After you set it up everything there, then the gradebook will automatically set. Now, if this is imported course or the converted course, then your previous assignment, all of those are here. You can see all of these are categories. Inside each category, I have a lot of assignment. But the problem, the weighting is not set it up. You can see 0 of total, and then so on, because it's not set it up properly. So we have to set it up. So now set it up is easy, but let's go into an empty course. Then we will take a look how to set it up. Now, this is an empty course. Let's go into that empty course because it's a converted course, but they created two shells. One is actually has information, one doesn't has information. Okay. Let's go into the assignment and then take a look. Now you can see clearly there's nothing there. It's a converted course, but the information doesn't copy it. It's an empty shell we can train. So automatically these three standard assignment gonna come in. So you can use them as needed basis, or we can build our gradebook in here from ground up. So how to build now? These are there, but these not going to be added anything because you can see there's no weighting or anything. Let's add our gradebook tools here, gradebook setting here. Now, let's say for example, if I go back to my syllabus file, I usually have a homework group, I have a quiz group, I have exam group, then I have some other assignment group, and then so on. Let's set it up. So each category first, okay, that's group. If you click the positive sign here, so we can set it up. Let's set it up the homework, and then click save. And then I have a homework group here. It automatically go into the very end of here in the page, but you can click here left hand side this dotted and then drag, or we can click these three dots on the right hand side corner in each header and then move it accordingly. I can move it to the top or and then so on. Okay, so they move the group all the way at the top, then it will go into the top. Now, right now inside the home, that there's nothing. Okay, so let's first set it up the groups. So the second group may be quizzes. Click OK, and it goes to the end. I'm gonna click and drag, and then I'm gonna keep this assignment like the other assignment group. And then attendance, I don't give any points, but we can leave it there. And then let's set it up the exams. Exam group. Click save. Let's bring it into here. Click and drag. All right, now let's put the weight. Okay, so now right now nothing inside. Now also nothing. There's no any weighting. So the weighting is actually right here. If you go into the three dots on the right hand side in the assignment page, then you click that. Then it will allow you to do the weighting. Assignment weight groups, group weight. So then you click this icon, then it will open up all the groups we already created. Let's say homework, I need 10% out of final grade. Quizzes, let's say I need about like maybe 30% out of final grade. Other assignment, I need 10% out of other all final grade. Exams, I need 50% out of final grade. And then the rest is we can either leave 0, which means any assignment go inside that category will not counted for the final grade, or you can set it up as extra credit. Like let's say if I put 1 here, attendance, it will count as extra credit 1. All right, then click save. All right, now you can see those weighting actually right here. So you can see the template assignment doesn't have any weight. It's there, but it will not counted. And then anything goes to the attendance is 1 extra point. And then 50-point exam, 10-point assignments, 30-point quizzes, and then the 10% homeworks. And then so on. Now, inside here, there's nothing there yet. Now you can build the assignment here and then call them into the module as needed. Now let's do that. Let's build a couple of assignment. How to build the assignment? So you see the assignment tool right here, plus sign, you click that. And then that will open up this page that has assignment I can build. You can see I can give a name here. Let's consider test or maybe homework 1. And then number of how much I'm going to grade it out of 10. and then it will allow you to select where that has to go, because the group, so the homework, this is a homework assignment I'm creating, I'm going to keep it inside the homework. Otherwise, if it is a different type of assignment, you can put it into a different category, or you can create a completely new groups if it is needed. And then I'm going to leave it the point to show up to the students. Or you can say do not count this assignment toward the final grade. Then it will there in the group, but it's still not counted to the final grade. Okay. Then there are different assignments, like different way of submission, different way of doing this assignment. Either it's online, on paper, or external tool. The online allow us to select any of these categories like essay typing or user website or media or student annotation or the file upload. So I can select the file upload. I can uh, allow only submit certain files like a PDF, for example, or maybe doc file, or maybe docx file. Or if I leave that empty and then unclick this one, the system will allow to a student to submit any file. And then I can set up the attempts, like either it's unlimited attempt or limited attempts, 1 or 2. And then I can set it as a group. I can select certain students and then group it and then give a different assignment for each group, or I can allow one assignment for the whole class. Or if it is a peer review needed, like essay or something, you can click here. And then the assignment itself, without grouping or anything, I can assign to the whole class, everyone here, or I can add. If let's say I want to give extension for one particular student, then I can add that student here and then give the extension accordingly. So that's a useful tool there. Then I can set up the due date, and then I can set up available date, whether it's from today or one day after, and then the feedback, the until how long it should open up, or if you leave it empty, it's going to open up until the semester is end. Then you click save. We need to unclick this one. If you click that to the setting group, you have to set the group. Otherwise, you have to unclick it and then save it. And then we can publish after it go into the other page. Now, that's that assignment. You can still edit it right here. And if you go into the assignment now, you will see inside the homework, I have that homework 1. It is graded out of 10. And then right now this icon, the gray icon with the circle and the slash shows us it is not published. And anything with that icon anywhere inside the modules or anywhere in the canvas means that is not published. And then if I want to publish that to a student, I have to click this. And on the other hand, I forgot earlier one thing, the whole course publish we can do right here. Right now, this is actually unpublished. You can see the unpublished is actually, I can't click. If you go into the publish icon, right hand side top corner, I can click that, which means this course is actually not published to a student. So when I ready to publish, then I just need to click that. That's all. Let's go back to the assignments. Now you can see that assignment right here. Now, likewise, we can set it up the assignment. As we set it up all these assignment, if you go into the gradebook, now the gradebook's actually set up. So you can see individual assignment here. If you scroll all the way to the end of the gradebook, you will see each category: homework 10, quizzes 30, assignment 10, exam 50, attendance 1 extra, and the template, the assignment doesn't have any grade to the final, and the total going to show up here. As this populate with the different assignment and grades, the running grade will update automatically. That's what I mean earlier. And inside the grade book, we don't have a lot of adjustment we can do, but we can do certain adjustment. I can like select one particular category and then do the late penalty accordingly, and then so on. Those are there, but the general editing for the whole grade book should be done inside the assignment. That is very fundamental, different from the Moodle to here. And one other thing, now if you go into the assignment, we can select a lot of different assignment. Okay, let's say I want to select some different type of assignment inside the quiz. Then you click this positive sign on that header, And then that allow you to select different type of assignment, like whether it's assignment, discussion, quiz, external tool, or the not graded one. So the inside the quiz, I need the quiz. So you select that. Let's say this is quiz one, and then submission date and due date, and then point out of, I'm going to grade it out of 10. And then if you click more option, that allow you to actually edit and then do a lot of option inside that quiz. I can write here all the information, all the necessary information for the quiz, if whether this is a graded quiz, practice quiz, or just a survey type quiz, and in the assignment group category, which category that goes on final grade. And if it is like multiple choice type, I can add the question here later. If it is a multiple choice type, it will be useful to shuffle the answers and then so on. I can click that. I can set a time limit, 65 minutes. If I want to give the multiple attempts, I can select the highest grade, allow maybe like 2 attempts, and then so on. Then other option, like I can take the last attempts grade and then so on. Or I can actually more restricted, like they have to have access code from me to actually access from the system to access this. Or I can filter out the IP address, and then we can assign to the whole grade, whole class, or we can assign like individually students or the group of students separately, give the extension, and then so on here at the end. So then let's set it up this available from today, and then due maybe 25, and then save it. Okay, now the quiz is there. Now you can, for example, let's say now let's go back to the assignment. And then inside the assignment, now you can see inside the quizzes that the quiz one is, they are not published. That's this icon right here. Now, if I want to edit that quiz again, then you click that 3 dots, and then I can edit it. 3 dot, I can edit it. And then, like, let's say this quiz is some particular quiz. I need to set it up like a multiple choice answer or something. Then I need to go edit quiz, and then it will allow you right here on the very top the questions. So I can build the question bank inside the canvas. As I adding the question here, add new question, and then so on, I can build the question bank. So how we build in the question bank is actually right here. So you add it, and then you can select whether it's a multiple choice question, true, false, and then so on. That's why the later we're going to go over again the different type of quizzes, and then here you can pick even the file upload like a online, like exam type quiz, and then so on. All right, so that's about the 101, basically the navigation, announcement, we talk about syllabus setting, and then we talk about the gradebook, particularly how to set up the gradebook. And on 102, we will go over the module, and then there we will take a look very in detail on the type of assignment and then so on.